multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. We have already learned to multiply a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let's now learn the multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Example: multiply 1721 by 6. Solution: Step 1. Multiply 1 by 6 ones. 1 times 6 ones equals 6 ones. Write 6 in the ones column. Step 2. Multiply 2 tens by 6 ones. 2 tens times 6 ones equals 12 tens. Regroup 12 tens equals 102 tens. Write 2 in the tens column and carry 1 to the hundreds column. Step 3. Multiply 7 hundreds by 6 ones. 7 hundreds times 6 ones equals 42 hundreds. Add the carried over 1. 100 plus 42 hundreds equals 43 hundreds. Regroup 43 hundreds equals 4 thousands and 3 hundreds. Write 3 in the hundreds column and carry 4 to the thousands column. Step 4. Multiply 1000 by 6 ones. 1000 times 6 ones equals 6 thousands. Add the carried over 4. 4 thousands plus 6 thousands equals 10 thousands. Write 0 in the thousands column and 1 in the 10 thousands column. Thus, 1721 times 6 equals 10,326. Example: a box contains 8 apples. How many apples will be there in 2,452 boxes? Solution: there will be 2,452 times 8 apples. So there will be 19,616 apples in all the boxes.